Hi, Mom. Do you know that this one little innocent cookie right here could cause autoimmune disease, lack of focus, anxiety, irritable bowel, migraines, severe fatigue, significant weight gain, and more? If this little cookie right here is made out of wheat, it contains gluten. And gluten can cause a whole host of issues for your whole entire family. And if you're a mom who's looking to go gluten-free but feels so overwhelmed by getting started, then I have good news for you. My name is Kelly Jean Pittman, and I'm a transformational coach who focuses on food freedom. And I've created a very special group titled Super Easy Gluten-Free for Busy Moms. I want to help as many moms as I can to go gluten-free easily. I know, because I was a busy mom who was so overwhelmed. I had a full-time working job and a special needs daughter, and I actually became very sick. I was so sick, I was super glued to my bed. I couldn't move. I'm high energy, so I felt like I was dying. The doctors couldn't help me. They had no idea what to do. And my sister, she actually recommended that I go gluten-free. And quite honestly, I was a little insulted at first because I didn't feel that she was really listening to me, that she didn't really understand how sick that I really was. But I had no other options, so I committed to going gluten-free, and it changed my life. What you eat does make a huge impact on your emotional and physical self. And so I've created this free group, Super Easy Gluten-Free for Busy Moms, so that I can share with you and help as many moms as I can get started on a gluten-free lifestyle for their whole entire family, but do it easily. I'll share mom hacks on how to get started easily, product reviews, recipes, and more. I'm going to have free trainings, and I'll help you learn what the #1 secret is to going gluten-free. You need to understand this, otherwise you'll self-sabotage all your efforts. So I'll share that with you, and trainings to help you get the most out of your gluten-free lifestyle. And Mom, if you know a friend who's struggling to go gluten-free as well, please tell her about my group. We have people who have been gluten-free for years and kind of experts on it, and then newbies, and then everywhere in between. So together, we can support each other and empower our families with health. So I can't wait to see you there. Super Easy Gluten-Free for Busy Moms. See you there. I can't wait to get started.